Good morning, my dear class 4 students. Students, here I am, your science teacher, with your very first chapter from your book, that is Plant Life. And you already know that in our previous session, we have discussed some questions that are present in between of your chapter. And we have discussed some keywords also, and then I have gave you a quick recap of that chapter. Now let's move students towards the back exercise of this chapter. So the first question here is section A, that is tick the correct answer. So first question is extra food which is prepared by plants is stored as, and it is stored as a starch. Okay, not protein, not fat, it is stored as a starch. The food which is prepared by the process of photosynthesis, and the food that is extra to them gets stored as a starch. Next question is all animals depends upon plants for food. Yes, all the animals depends upon plants for the food. Next question number 3, green leaves of the plants are called food factories. Okay, because here in the leaves the food is prepared, that's why it is called food factories. Next question number 4, gas taken in by plants during the photosynthesis is carbon dioxide. Okay, this is a very important question. And question number 5, during photosynthesis plants gives off, that is the gas, oxygen. So question number 4 and 5 both are very important. In the process of photosynthesis, carbon dioxide is taken in and oxygen is given off by the plants. Now next section of questions are the match the following. Here column A and column A and column B are given. Here I have already just matched them. So now let's see them. First, grasses like wheat and paddy are the cereals. Second, stomata are the opening on the leaves, and through stomata, the carbon dioxide gas goes in and oxygen goes out of the plant. Next, third one is food factory. Already I have told you that it is green leaves. And next is the chlorophyll. Chlorophyll is a green substance present in leaves, and only because of the chlorophyll the color of leaves are green. Now question number C, that is give reason for the following. Here you have to mention the reason, then why this statement is correct. So first question is mushrooms and molds cannot prepare their own food. So its reason is mushrooms and molds cannot prepare their own food because they are non-green plants. Means the chlorophyll is absent in these plants, and because chlorophyll is absent, so the process of photosynthesis doesn't occur in them, and due to which food is not prepared. So they are the plants but not green in color, that's why they cannot prepare their own food. Now question number 2, a yellow leaf cannot make food. Again the same reason, that is a yellow leaf cannot make its food because of the absence of chlorophyll pigment, and chlorophyll gives green color to the plants, and if there is no chlorophyll then photosynthesis will not occur in such leaves. Okay, next question number 3, leaves of green plants are called food factories. Already I have told you this reason. So its reason is leaves of green plants are called food factories because in the plant's body food is prepared in leaves, that's why they are called food factories. Now question number 4, that is green leaves are green in color. Why they are green in color? That is because of the presence of chlorophyll pigment. Now I am giving you a question that you will have to find out that as leaves are green in color because of the presence of chlorophyll. Now tell me why the color of our blood is red. Okay, just find out its answer. Now let's move to our next sections of questions that are define the following terms. So the first term given here is a photosynthesis, a very important term related to our science subject. Photosynthesis is the process by which green plants make food with the help of chlorophyll, sunlight, water and carbon dioxide. And it is a very important process that goes on inside the green plants. And because of this process, plants make their own food. Okay, students. Now, term number 2, that is chlorophyll. Chlorophyll is a green pigment present in leaves. Third one is stomata. The term stomata. Small pores on the surface of leaves are called stomata, and through stomata the carbon dioxide gas goes in the leaves, or you can say inside the plants, and oxygen gas goes outside the plant. Next one is hay. Hay are the remains of cereals that are used as a used to feed the cattle. So whenever the crops are cutted down, they are harvested, all the grains are removed, then the leftover part, or you can say the remaining part, is called hay, and this hay is used to feed the cattle. Cattle means like cow, buffalo, ox. Okay. Next term, that is cereals. Cereals are the grasses like paddy and wheat are called cereals, and cereals in Hindi it is called anaj. Okay, and the cereals we used to have is wheat, rice, maize as our food. Okay students, now let's move to our next section of question answers, that is find the correct and wrong statement. You will have to answer that whether the statement is right or wrong. First, plants produce their own food in their roots. No, it is a wrong statement. Plants produce their food in their leaves, not roots. Second one is food is stored in the plants mostly in the form of starch. Yes. The extra food that is prepared in the plant's body gets stored in the form of starch mainly. Now next question number 3, that is oxygen is given out during photosynthesis. Yes, this is correct. And this gas we used to intake. Okay, the oxygen gas is given out by the plants during photosynthesis. And now the fourth one is straw is made from the leaves of plant. No, it is incorrect. It is a wrong statement. Straw is made from the stalk of the plant, not from the leaves. Okay. So here our today's session ends. Now students, your homework is that you will have to learn all these question answers by heart, and then we will move forward with our next set of question answers. That's it for today. Be at your home.